Some places, they just get under your skin. Not in a loud, demanding way, but like a quiet hum that settles deep in your bones. That's Estonia for you. It whispers on the salt-laced wind. It's in the silent gaze of a medieval tower and in the rustle of leaves in ancient forests. The best stories are often found in the quietest corners, and Estonia is full of them. A place of resilience, seen empires rise and fall, yet holding on to its timeless rhythm. Today, we'll explore that rhythm together. Not just a list of places, a journey through storied pasts and wild, untamed nature. We'll soar over landscapes, islands of the Baltic, bogs that breathe with the seasons. Think of this as your awe-to itinerary guide. Gorgeous 4K aerials, best times to visit, simple, fun activities at each stop. Finding the soul of a place, one quiet moment at a time. So sit back, let the world fade for about 8 minutes. Drift over a land where time moves differently. Every cobblestone has a tale, every wetland sunset feels like a promise. This is Estonia, where profound journeys are taken in peace and wonder. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Our journey starts here, in Tallinn's Old Town. It feels like a storybook that's been left open for centuries. The air itself seems thick with history. You walk these cobblestone streets, and you can almost hear the echoes of merchants and knights. Stand in Town Hall Square and feel part of something much larger than yourself. A chain of moments. The real magic is in the details. Intricate ironwork, a narrow lane that leads to who knows where. I'd recommend just walking. Find a small cafe, sit, watch people, listen to church bells. For the best views, climb to Kotuatsa, the sea of red-tiled roofs, spires reaching for the sky, a sight that can quiet the busiest mind. Best time, May to September. Long, warm days and a hopeful energy. Some things, the truly beautiful things, are built to last. They endure, weathering storms and time. Chapter 2. After the stone and story of the city, you need the earth and the sea. You need Lahemaa, the land of bays, Estonia's wild heart, a coastline carved by the relentless Baltic. One moment, dense forest with sunlight like a cathedral. Next, a shore littered with giant boulders, silent sentinels watching the sea. Manors like Palmsey and Vihula, elegant ghosts of another era amid untamed nature. Walk a bog boardwalk, strange, beautiful mosses, an immense sky, like another planet. Fun, hike forest coast trails, cycle quiet roads, stroll manors. Best time, May-September, wildflowers, mild weather. Chapter 3. Every country has a place where it goes to breathe. For Estonia, that's Pärnu. They call it the summer capital. The whole town exhales. Life revolves around simple pleasures, sun, sand, sea, pure, uncomplicated joy. A storied spa town, a quiet act of self-kindness that continues today. Fun, rent a bike, pedal the river, parks, then the coast. Feel the town's relaxed rhythm. Best time, June-August. Festivals, concerts, outdoor markets. Sometimes the most important thing is to just be. Chapter 4. Saaremaa, the island of windmills and stone. Worlds unto themselves, islands move to ferries and seasons. Anglo windmills, guardians of the past, life in harmony with wind and land. One of the Baltic's best preserved fortresses, a living piece of history. Fun, cycle flat country lanes. Take a boat to watch seals lounging on rocks. Best time, May-September. Pleasant weather, lush and green. Slow down, look closer. Chapter 5. Hiiumaa, the quiet, contemplative younger sister. A refuge for solitude. Deserted, wild and beautiful coasts. Kopu is among the oldest lighthouses. Climb time-worn steps to endless forest and sea. Life is simple. Coffee in a village cafe, a visit to a wool factory, watching the ferry come and go. Best time, June-August. Long days, warm enough for coastal walks and lazy afternoons. Peace isn't found, it's allowed. like a lighthouse waiting to guide you home. Chapter 6. Matsalu National Park, where the sky comes alive. The air fills with a million wings, a kingdom of birds on the East Atlantic Flyway. Spring brings vast waterfowl, autumn brings cranes, humbling, profoundly moving. Fun, climb birdwatching towers, sit with binoculars and watch life unfold. Or take a canoe for an intimate reed maze journey. Best time, April-May, spring arrival, and September-October, autumn gathering. Look up, listen, feel part of something ancient. Chapter 7. If Tallinn is the wise grandfather, Tartu is the bright, intellectual grandchild. A city of spirit and ideas. Streets pulse with youthful energy. Thinking, questioning, creating, with a playful sense of humor. Walk the bridges, stroll the Emajogi, watch rowers glide by. Explore museums from national to quirky, then taste tradition and modern creativity in food. Best time, May-September. Cafes open, festivals abound. Tartu stimulates the mind and warms the heart. Some places are defined by constants. Suma is defined by change, a land ruled by water. The fifth season, roads disappear, forests become lakes, and the only way around is by canoe. Glide silently between trees, surreal, beautiful, a temporary dreamscape. Fun, guided bogshoe walks. Learn how millennia shaped these peatlands. Spot elk tracks and hidden life. Best time, March-May for the fifth season. Flexible with snowmelt. Summer for hiking and bogshoeing. Saoma teaches adaptation. Sometimes the most beautiful things happen when you let go and flow with the current. There are places where you feel the weight of history and geopolitics. Narva is one. On Estonia's eastern edge, the EU meets Russia, separated by a river. The castles are so close you could almost shout across, yet today it's peaceful, reflective, magnificent, battered, rebuilt, expanded over 7 centuries. The tower view puts things in perspective. Best time, May-September. Pleasant for walking and contemplating two worlds. History is written in stone and water, a story still unfolding. Our final stop, a different coast. This is the Antika Cliff, the highest point of the Baltic Clint. Here, land confronts sea, a sheer wall of layered stone down to churning waters, the last waterfall cascading over the edge. A history book of the earth, fossils of ancient sea creatures, humbling in the face of time. Fun, clifftop walks and photography. But no picture truly does it justice. Nearby Toila Oru, cultivated beauty, a human touch on the wild coast. Best time, May-September, long daylight to walk and explore. Nature's power and human resilience in constant dialogue. And so, our 8-minute journey comes to an end. We've soared over medieval spires, walked on ancient bogs, and stood on the edge of a continent. It's not the distance, it's what you take with you. Estonia gives you the gift of quiet. From Tartu's vibrance to Hiiuma's solemn watch, each place with its own rhythm, identity, and deep connection to nature. There's wonder in quiet corners, value in slowing down, in looking closer, in just being present. If you enjoyed this aerial tour of Estonia, like, subscribe, and check the description for a downloadable 8-minute itinerary and best time planner.